721, with you on the visual 219 right.
Appreciate the ride, thank you. And
I didn't drive you here.
But you're driving away.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's got to go to work. I don't think I'm going to need that. Looks like we just got some light showers. They'll be passing. Got 6,300 pounds of fuel. That's perfect. Airplane's looking good. So in about 10 minutes, we'll start the APU, get it going. They ought to be here in about 25. Well, we got a little rain setting in, a line coming through. It's not a severe line, not even a heavy line. It's mostly showers. I think it'll be out of here in 30 minutes, and we'll be on our way. Shouldn't have any problems getting to Las Vegas. Only got 4 passengers. It's Mike and I flying today. Be there till Thursday. Mike's already done a pre-flight, but I'd like to double check. No matter who's doing the pre-flight, just go back around it, check it out. Because you never know, distractions, interruptions, they can interfere with what you're doing. You could skip something, not notice something. This little guard here protects us from that light at night. It's the exhaust for our auxiliary power unit. Intake up there provides us with electric power and bleed air on the ground when the engines aren't operating.
You're up.
Flaps up, yaw damper.
Flaps up.
Feathers to Quebec, connect south, departure.
Go on, to Quebec. St. Louis Citation, November 2 Quebec, out of 1.3 for 3,000.
Citation 2 Quebec, St. Louis departure. Radar contact line and maintain 15,000, St. Louis altimeter 2976.
Up to 15,000 on 2976, 2 Quebec.
7615,000.
Alright, gears up, the flaps are up. All the pilots are running. If you coming in.
Immediate takeoff, wind calm.
Let's take off 19 left, Janet 232. Yeah, Vegas interruption, 721, with you on the visual 219 right.
Option 721, Las Vegas airline, wind right, clear to land, traffic hold in position, wind calm.
19 right, clear to land for option 721.
89, Charlie, Echo, runway 19 right, line up away, traffic 5 mile base to run final, your runway, be ready.
We'll be ready, line up away 19 right, 89 Charlie, Echo.
7, Mike, November, connect departure, 9125.9, a good day.
Departure, 7 November.
Okay, I'm on 37th floor PH. I guess that's penthouse. Just keep on climbing. Here we are, 37th floor. Let's go check out. I don't have a balcony, but I got a heck of a view here. of the airport. We are right there. That's where we're parked. There's the golf driving place. The pool, the other tower. The passengers set up our accommodations at the MGM Signature, but they had to check us in. So, as soon as we hit the ground, we really hustled to secure the aircraft, get out of there so they didn't have to wait very long for us. All of us jumped into an Uber, minivan, bags and everything, just packed in there, and we all headed over here. So I couldn't take any video. Let's go back in here. Okay, it's a nice room. It's nice. It's one heck of a tub there. This room ain't cheap. We just got back from some place. We had some chicken quesadillas, a couple of beers, a couple hours of going to dinner. We're going to try Circus, the steakhouse there. Scott told us it was really good. We'll find out.
He's not trying to make a Italian restaurant or anything like that.
I think we did try to walk this.
I know, it was further than I thought. That'd be hard after a couple of beers, well, a couple of miles. The steakhouse. Cool.
Going back?
I've already decided I'm going to have that 14 hands.
Oh, give me both. Yeah, but he does.
I know how to do Uber, and I've never done Lyft.
The AC.
Oh, yeah, it's fine. It's 5:20 Las Vegas time. Sun should be coming up soon. Oh yeah, I bet it does. Easily. Man, a lot of work, wasn't it? We're hiking to Hoover Dam on the old train trail. This is where the train went up to the dam, carrying all the equipment for building the dam. They've got 5 tunnels that were built here that we're taking a look at. There's Lake Mead there. Tunnel 3 is supposed to have a lot of bats in it. We're coming up on Tunnel 3 right now. Yeah, I don't smell anything, but there's a good breeze coming through here. See anything up there? Oh. Tunnel 4 and no bats. There's Tunnel 5 coming out. Tunnel 5. Nice cool breeze coming through Tunnel 5.
Out here all the time?
No, there's 138 miles of trail. That's like a paved trail.
Oh yeah, they got that
Yeah.
31 over there. Well, we're halfway to the dam. We've been to the dam 2 or 3 times, so we're just going to turn around here and head back. I mean, we'd just be seeing the same thing over again. But we've made it through the 5 tunnels. We wanted to do that and see those. Those are historic tunnels, part of history. The guy we were talking to that's a local here said there's a herd of bighorn sheep back where we were at, so we're going to go see those guys. Look at all those. Are those mountain goats? They just came right off that mountain as we were coming around the corner. Oh, they're eating their bushes there. Sure enough, he's nibbling on their bushes. Loser. Loser. Well, this morning in Las Vegas, I've been up since 4. I actually got a phone call at 4 a.m. We're leaving this morning at 8:30. We've got a 10 a.m. takeoff back to St. Louis, 4 passengers. We should be there about 3 p.m. In fact, one of the passengers has to be back by 3 p.m., so that should work out. I hope, if they show up on time. I'm going to grab some breakfast now. There's a Starbucks downstairs. I've already had Starbucks for coffee this morning, but I think I'm going to go down to the McDonald's. Breakfast today, Johnny Rockets. I gotta clear a space here. Let me do this, make room. I just got off the phone. There was a possibility of me flying to Salina once we got back in the M2, maybe doing it Friday. I just needed to confirm, are we doing this or not? Because we had to make other plans. So I gave the owner a call. He says, no, not going tonight. We're probably not doing it tomorrow. That's good, that's all covered. Once we get to the lobby, I'll get an Uber to give us a ride over to Atlantic over there at Las Vegas McCarran. Should already have fuel on the airplane. The airplane should be online. Oh, there it is. I see it. They're giving it fuel. Yeah, well, it looks like it'll be good. Looks like our biggest issue is turbulence coming over the mountains. Then it's clear sailing. Yeah, sure. Hey, Andrew. Good to meet you, man. Just had our departure time pushed back 30 minutes. What was a hard departure time at 10? I guess it wasn't so hard. We'll still be good. Well, since we got a delay, we decided to get a couple of sandwiches here at the deli. It's a 250-minute flight back. Get back at 3 p.m., so we'll be going through the lunch hour. You never know when you're going to get another meal. So your name's Mark, isn't it?
Mark, yeah.
Oh, crap. My camera's failing.
I wish I had a better face for
Okay,
it.
there you go. No, I love it, man. You started late. You're an inspiration for everybody. You know, what are you flying now?
Flying a Citation 2.
Citation 2,
Yeah.
man. Living the dream. Living the dream.
80 knots.
1 Delta Whiskey advises citation off the parallel in sight.
Delta Whiskey has that citation in sight. They're ready. Gear up, please. Selected. Gear indicates up.
Coastal 1 Delta Whiskey, thank you. Maintain visual separation with that aircraft. Do not overtake. Wind 15010. Runway 19 right, cleared for takeoff.
19 right, clear for takeoff. We'll keep in sight, not overtake. Is he separating from us out there somewhere?
1 Delta Whiskey, no delay on the roll, please. Clear for takeoff. Your course is diversion about 8 miles.
Roger.
0505 Romeo, Mike Las Vegas runway 19 right. Line up and wait. Traffic arriving, converging runway.
Line up and wait, 19 right, 5 Romeo, Mike.
November 2, Quebec, good speed on the climb out, please. For traffic control, you contact departure now 125.9er.
Good speed, 125.9er to Quebec. Departure Citation 2 Quebec is out of 3.7 for 7,000. Number 2 Quebec, Las Vegas departure radar contact. You're also away.
And he's clear on the runway.
Tier 7, Julie Bravo, you said you wanted to do a low approach only?
That's Tier 717 Julie Bravo. Yeah, we'd like to do a missed approach and 26 left.
Tier 7, Julie Bravo, what's your intentions after the low approach?
Tier 717 Julie Bravo. Yeah, we'd like to do a couple of those missed approaches and 26 left.
7 Julie Bravo, I suggest you contact Signals Approach on 126.5 for the fly following for our approaches. I'm too busy working in VFR.
Julia Bravo 126.5. Here we are, they're extended.
Thank you. Gateway 363 on a 26 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 26 left, gateway 363.
Looks good. Okay, we're done. Time for a lap down. You can move. Don't laugh, man. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you like the video, please give it a like. And if you'd like to see more of these in the future, press the subscribe button and subscribe. Everybody fly safe out there. Be good.